Alright, it's working? Okay, great. Should be working. So today we've got a new kind of taco, and it's definitely appropriate for a channel called Corner Slice Gaming because we haven't had too much pizza on this channel, and we're about to change that today. So today we're going to be making pizza tacos. And I don't know if you've ever done pizza tacos before, but these taste really good. So obviously what you want to do is we're going to start with some ground beef. Just get that ground beef in there and fill it up. Alright. Oh, this is going to taste so good. So you get the ground beef into the tacos. And it'll be worth it. I know it's a little bit of work because you got, sometimes the taco shells, they don't stand. You gotta make sure they don't fall over. But even if you have to like double shell them so that they don't crumble, it's okay. You just put a double shell. You get more of the beef. Always start with the beef as like the base of it. Get that in there. Try to make them stand up. It's not always easy to do, but if you get them to stand, you're flying. Alright, put some more beef in that one. I do this one. And we should have enough for like a few people. So we're going to have a fun time with these. Alright. Put that in there. Don't skimp on the beef, right? Okay. And so after you do the beef, it is kind of like a pizza where now you do tomato sauce, right? Put the tomato sauce in there. And if you do make a mess by mistake, it's okay. You can clean it up after. Tacos are a little bit more of a messy food. I kind of find like whenever we make tacos on this channel, it's going to require some cleanup after, right? But that's okay though. You should be cleaning the kitchen regularly, right? So it's not such a big deal. You're supposed to clean it. Okay, so we keep putting more tomato sauce. Oh, trust me, this is going to be so good. Okay. And there's going to be extra too. Okay. Yeah. They're falling over. You don't want them to fall over. Okay. So, this video is starting to run a little bit long, so we might have to cut it short. But as you can see, the pizza tacos are shaping up pretty good. Alright, now let's see if we can get the other toppings